welcome back. Ooh, did I got the light on? Okay. So y'all, we are gonna be making a patty melt today. I wanted something quick. I'm tired. I came back from the gym a little late and I need something to eat because y'all haven't ate all day. So I went to the store, got a couple of little things so I can make something quick, and that's what we're gonna be doing. Dang, did I put that bag in there? Oh, I did. But yeah, we're gonna be making the patty melt. I'm gonna show y'all what I got. I want this to be like a little relaxed type of thing. I got me some onions. The only thing I do need to get out is the war chicken sauce. And I need to get my cast iron out, y'all. I knew I should have got some more. And I should have, y'all, I need to get some more butter. And I should have put that on my freaking list. But it's okay. It's okay. Okay, so I got my cast iron. We're gonna use a small one. And I got my cheddar cheese. I got some pepper jack cheese. And I did get the Whataburger patty melt sauce because I didn't feel like making it, y'all. This is like the quickest meal that I'm trying to make. Like, it's gonna be super freaking quick. Like, super fucking quick, literally. I'm only using one sauce, one seasoning. This is what I'm putting on there. And then I was gonna get my ground turkey, but I just decided to get this. Got my meat. And we are gonna top it with some chips. I was gonna do fries, but I ain't want no fries, so. And I did buy this pan so I can make me another 100 cake, but I don't know. Bought some more Velveeta. Y'all, what the fuck? I be underestimating myself every time. Because why the fuck I got some Velveeta in there? I knew I used to have because I thought I bought. But see, I must have got my days confused because I really thought that the people bought the small size. But fuck it, it's okay. It's gone. I can make some pasta with some shit. But yeah, oh, I got me some keto bread. I usually use this other kind, but I didn't feel like going to HEB. This one got, what did it say? 6 grams of fiber. And yeah, so yeah, this is the bread I use. This one's softer than that other one because that other one was a little tough to me and I didn't too much care for it. Ew. Then I got some provolone because I'm gonna make some Philly cheesesteaks probably. I don't know. I'll probably do them another day this week. But whenever I make them, I'm gonna do a video so y'all can see. So yeah, this is everything we're gonna be using. And let's get started. Enough of me yapping, and we're gonna get started. Okay.
Young and fine and dark and handsome, the boy from South Detroit came bossing and I can't keep my panties from dropping. He's so fly, fly. Moving so fast to hurt yourself. I can't keep up with all the lies you tell yourself. You kinda cute, but way too much to play yourself. I'm not the one, but we can still pretend this can't be my man. You say you feel different when you with me, tell me anything. Compliment my energy, it's different laying next to me. All I ask is don't make me pull up and get the dope. You know I can't get no fucks. You know with all the rugged heavy. Young and fine and dark and handsome, the boy west side of Compton came walking in. I can't keep my panties from dropping. He's so fly, fly. Ooh, he bossy, ooh, he quit walking to me, just lost, and then he slapped me on the way that I got no problem. He get too back and he got all that action, go protein from them chickens you've been tricking on. Can be a ride or die. Get thuggish, run your bone. Looking boy, I'm good in every hood. Trick it, finna roll it backwards. Just trying to show you what it would be like if you my man. Young and fine and dark and handsome. The boy from south of somewhere came walking in. I can't keep my panties from dropping in. So fly, fly. Going money fast and fast. Tryna make it last. Going money fast and fast. Tryna make it last. Ecstasy is just a pill away. Wrap it up or you can screw today. I'm just tryna hear you say my name. Let her play a role or be a Jane. You could be my toss and toss me up. Other hoes is lacking, call me up. Put my baby back and why I'm stuck. That's why he my man. Young and he fine and he tall and he handsome. Talking so fine, I might hold it for ransom. Put it in drive, I'm not shy, I might let ya. 'Cause all night, going money fast and fast. Don't make it last. Job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've been enough of petty dudes. I've had enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better day than catch today. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. All I got is these broken clocks. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love and still love and it's still love. It's still love, still love, still love, still love. It's still love and still love. Nothing but love for you. Nothing but love. Nothing but love. All that I got, verses and pages, talking a lot. Sorry, I'm faded. Think I forgot. You love me, you love me, you love me. Gotta shift at 10 a.m. Gotta dip at 10 p.m. Gotta get that cash, won't get past the lunch break. I ain't had a smoke break in about 2 days, don't wait. Been about 3 years since I dated you. Why you still talking about me like we together? I moved on for the better, you moved on to whatever. I was down for whatever and then some. You gon' make me late to work again. Ooh, better days than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. All I got is these broken clocks. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love and it's still love and it's still love. It's still love, still love, still love. It's still love and it's still love. Nothing but love for you. Nothing.